Do you want to unfollow someone on Snapchat? You can unfollow friends on Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unfollow someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, swipe right from the camera screen to open your chat list. Now, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. A new screen appears. Type the username of the person you want to unfollow. You can also search by their full name or email address if they've linked it to their account. Next, tap on the user's profile from the search results of the person you want to unfollow. Under the profile, you will see the added button. Just tap on it. A pop-up screen appears. Tap on the Yes button. If this option is not available, go to the Friends profile page. From the profile screen, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Manage Friendship. Then, from the new pop-up menu, select Remove Friend. Finally, tap Remove on the pop-up screen. That's it. You're now unfollowing that user on Snapchat.